Wow, what a presentation. I think it's relevant for both teens and adults.
An amazing talk.
Really inspired our whole year group.
I recommend for every other school.
Hard to top. The head of senior academy at Knox Grammar School. Wow, what a presentation. I think it's relevant for both teens and adults. As an older guy sitting in there, to see the visualizations of the monkeys on the back was so key. I think seeing young men really engage with what was happening and actually discussing amongst their groups, you know, what monkeys do they have on their back and how do they deal with them. I think mentioning actions is so important as well. What are you going to do about it? Often you hear talks which are lots of talk, but actually providing some real evidence and showing what can be done is important.
An amazing talk, super inspirational, getting us to get out of our comfort zone and try something new.
Absolutely incredible. The energy that you brought really lightened up the entire room.
I think we all can take away so much stuff from this chat.
We talked about what are the things that usually hold students back. We got actionable steps that we could do.
I thought Dan, you know, he was so open about his experiences as a younger guy, and I think that's relevant for all of us. Super infectious in terms of his engagement and his enthusiasm. Hard to top, but it was a wonderful experience.
Dan is such an infectious character. Like his positivity and energy completely engulfed the entire audience. Super engaging, great content.
He was able to connect with us. It really connected with me, and I'm sure it connected with most of our year group, and then I'll recommend for every other school.
It was interactive too. We had opportunities to hear from our own classmates. And overall, I think it's going to be something that becomes really memorable and sticks with us for the next year. Definitely give the presentation 2 big thumbs up. Really inspired our whole year group.